Get the ball. Get the ball. Get it. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Okay, I'll throw the ball to Daddy. Go get it. Get the ball. Get it. Go get it. Get it, Zoe. Get it. Oh, she's like on the table, hiding from it.
Hey, don't bite.
Go get it, Zoe. Get the ball. It's over here. It's over here. You don't want to come get it? Oh, she's scared. Ooh, that's like the closest she ever let it get to her. I got that on tape too.
Ready? Ready?
Oh! Get it, Zoe. Come here. Zoe. Zoe. Zoe, girl.
Scary,
Hey.
huh?
Get it. Get it.
Little nub is wagging.
Yeah. Get it. I wanna squeak it just to scare her for the video.
You want me to squeak it?
Yeah, you can do it. Wait till she's like really close to it. Get it, Zoe. Wait till she gets closer. Get it, Zoe. Oh! Get it. Oh.
That's your head. What is it? What is it?
Get it.
It's not moving. Oh, you touched it. You touched it.
Get it. Throw it over here. She's starting to touch it now, at least she's not that afraid of it.
Her tail is wagging like crazy.
Her little nub, she doesn't have a tail. Look at her, better view.
Wait till she makes it sweet. I will cry. I'll laugh so much.
Wait, she does that too?
No, not yet. But she's going to by accident.
Yeah. Get it, Zoe. Get the ball. Oh. Ooh, she actually picked it up. Good girl. Finally. After 2 days, she's not afraid of it anymore.
She's still afraid of it. She just happens to have it in her mouth and can't get it out.
Is it stuck?